Hello, I'm Cody Reeder with Reeder Asset Management. We're a full-service property management company with offices from Salt Lake to Logan. And today I want to talk about maximizing your return on investment. Essentially, we have three different ways that I want to talk about today. One is preventative maintenance, the second one is curb appeal, and the third one is upgrades. So preventative maintenance, statistics have shown that the number one reason that tenants move out is because of deferred maintenance. And I know as owners, a lot of times we feel like rather than doing that little bit of maintenance, we want to save the money, and so what ends up happening is that little piece of deferred maintenance, which is right now a very small mound, let's say, as the years go by, it turns into a mountain. It creates other problems that you have to deal with down the road. So you're much better off just attacking it right now. But it's actually more than that, because it's shown that tenants are more likely to move out because of deferred maintenance. When you factor in the vacancy that's created, a lot of times if your rental, for example, is $1,000 a month and that tenant moves out and causes you 2 weeks of vacancy, you've just lost $500, and that $300 fix now becomes very inexpensive. The second thing is curb appeal. If you're showing a place that the tenants have put a lot of garbage out front, or they're in the middle of transitioning, or you're in the middle of transitioning, maybe doing carpet replacement, that kind of stuff, and you've got carpet spread out on the front porch, or even if you're doing showings and the tenant is still there and they're out smoking in front, there's that component, but also just having green grass and nice bushes and nice trees. Also, statistics have shown that the majority of tenants can decide when they pull up whether they're going to, if they're not going to rent a place. They may not rent it, but the majority will decide if they're not going to rent it just based off the curb appeal, because that a lot of times indicates what the inside is going to look like. And then thirdly is just upgrades. A lot of times you can take, for example, we sent out a survey to all of our tenants to see how much they would pay extra for new carpet, for example, or new kitchen appliances, and the information we got back was very interesting. And some reported to say that they would actually pay an extra $50 a month if they had brand new carpet throughout the apartment. And if you look at an average 2-bedroom apartment, let's say it's $1,200 to replace all the carpet, they're willing to pay an extra $50 per month. That's $600 per year, and you paid $1,200 for the carpet. That's a 50% return on investment, and you're not going to get those kind of numbers anywhere. And the same with appliance packages. I know the RC Willey was running deals where you could get a new fridge, oven, stove, range, and dishwasher for $1,200. And if you were able to upgrade those appliances and charge an extra, let's say even $25 per month for the upgraded package, that's the equivalent of $300 a year. That's still a 25% return on that investment. And the payback on it is anywhere from 2 to 4 years. And so not only are these ways to maximize your investment, but it's just the right thing to do. Again, I'm Cody Reeder, and I'd love to talk to you more about it. If you have any questions, you can reach us at the office number below. Thank you for watching.